Hello and welcome back everyone. So after 2 days I received the K63 keyboard right after the purchase of the lapboard. So this is the unboxing. So this is a special edition keyboard with the ice blue LEDs. I don't know what difference does it make. I believe the other one is dark blue, this is light blue, but that's about it. So let's unbox this. There we go. Let's put this aside for a moment. So this is the warranty guide, just same as the lap board. The lap board was just talking about the leather materials and if there is a wear and tear. I don't know what the warranty is used for. Here is the USB for the wireless communication with the computer. And here is the handrest, which I will not be using because I have a handrest on lapboard itself, so this is kind of useless for me for the time being until I use it on a desk. Also, it comes with a cable, a micro USB cable to USB, I believe for charging, and a USB dongle, USB to micro USB. Here is the K63 Special Edition keyboard. Very nice wireless keyboard. Let's put it on the lapboard. So to put it on the lapboard, all you need to do is just put it in, slide it from both sides. So it has latches here and here. It should grab on to it perfectly. And then you have two latches, one here that should go in and the other one right here that will go in. And that's it. You have a switch right here which you can turn on and the ice blue keyboard turns on. Very nice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope I can make more content for you. Take care. Goodbye.